Want to transform your backyard into a space that feels like it was designed by a professional, without spending a fortune? You're in the right place. These 10 DIY garden edging ideas are perfect for seniors who love to get their hands dirty and enjoy creating something beautiful and personal. Each idea is affordable, easy to build, and designed to add instant charm, structure, and style to your garden. Whether you're into rustic wood, timeless stone, or modern lines, you'll find an idea here that will inspire you to roll up your sleeves and start creating. Let's get to it. Idea 1. Natural stone magic. Using natural stones from your own yard, or picking them up at a local garden center, is one of the easiest ways to create a timeless garden border. Start by digging a shallow trench along the edge of your flower bed. Choose stones of varying shapes and sizes for a natural, organic look. Place the largest stones first, pressing them into the trench, then fill in the gaps with smaller rocks. This layering technique makes the edge feel sturdy and visually appealing. Over time, these stones weather beautifully, blending with the landscape and giving your garden that secret garden feel. Add mulch or ground cover behind the stones to keep weeds at bay. This style works in any climate and requires little maintenance. Perfect for a senior gardener who wants a charming, elegant touch without constant upkeep. Every time you walk by, you'll enjoy the natural textures and colors that only real stone can bring. Idea 2. Brick herringbone charm. If you want to add old-world elegance, brick edging is a classic choice. Lay bricks in a herringbone or basket weave pattern to create a sturdy, decorative border. Start by digging a trench deep enough to keep the bricks level with your lawn or path. Add a layer of sand for stability, then begin laying bricks at an angle, pressing them into place with a rubber mallet. Alternate the direction to achieve the herringbone look. It's more visually interesting than a straight line and holds its shape well. Reclaimed bricks give a rustic, historic vibe, while new bricks look crisp and clean. Once the bricks are set, fill the gaps with fine sand or gravel to lock them in place. This design doubles as a mini pathway or mowing strip and adds a charming, professional touch to your garden. It's perfect for seniors who want a border that looks high-end but is easy enough to build at their own pace. Idea 3. Wood slice whimsy. Bring a rustic, whimsical feel to your garden with wood slice edging. Start by cutting logs into 2-inch thick slices using a handsaw or chainsaw. Be sure to wear protective gear. Dig a narrow trench and set the slices upright in a row, packing them tightly together. The natural grain of the wood adds instant charm and a storybook quality. Treat the wood with an outdoor sealant to help it last longer and resist rot. You can experiment with different wood types, cedar, pine, or oak, to create a range of colors and textures. This edging is easy to maintain and simple to replace if a piece ever cracks or decays. It's also a great way to repurpose fallen branches from your own yard, giving new life to old wood. This project is perfect for seniors who enjoy working with natural materials and want to add a touch of homemade character to their outdoor space. Idea 4. Recycled plate mosaic. If you're feeling creative, try transforming old ceramic plates into a colorful garden border. Collect mismatched plates from thrift stores or your own kitchen. Wrap them in a towel and gently break them into large, manageable pieces with a hammer. Dig a shallow trench along your garden bed and press the plate pieces vertically into the soil, arranging them like a mosaic. Mix and match colors and patterns to create a border that's unique and full of personality. Add outdoor grout for extra stability, or leave it natural for a rustic look. This project is a wonderful way to recycle and bring memories into your garden, perhaps even using a chipped family heirloom. It's perfect for seniors who love arts and crafts and want a conversation-starting feature. Plus, every time you walk by, you'll get a smile from the unexpected pop of color. Idea 5. Gabion wall edging. Gabion walls aren't just for retaining structures. They make striking garden edges too. Use wire mesh cages, available at most garden centers, and fill them with stones, pebbles, or even broken bricks. Place them along your garden beds for a bold, modern look that doubles as a sturdy barrier. Gabions are incredibly durable and can handle weather, foot traffic, and even the occasional bump from a mower. They're easy to customize with different fillings. Try colorful river rocks for a polished look or recycled materials for a rustic vibe. For seniors who prefer low maintenance, gabions are perfect. They don't rot, fade, or shift easily. This project adds architectural interest and a modern touch that feels both artistic and practical. Plus, it's fun to watch neighbors stop and admire your handiwork. Idea 6. Terracotta Pot Border. If you have extra terracotta pots or can find them at yard sales, they make a charming garden edge. Simply dig a trench deep enough to bury about half the pot, then line them up side by side. Tilt them at a slight angle for added visual interest. You can fill the pots with soil and small succulents, or leave them empty for a simpler look. Terracotta brings a warm, Mediterranean feel to the garden and is incredibly durable. Sealing the pots can help them last even longer. This edging is perfect for seniors who want a playful, creative project that's also easy to maintain. And if a pot breaks, it's easy to replace, or repurpose the shards in another mosaic project. Idea 7. Metal Strip Modern. For a clean, contemporary border, metal strip edging is a fantastic choice. Purchase flexible metal edging from your local garden center. Start by digging a shallow trench along the edge of your flower bed, then place the metal strip inside and secure it with stakes to keep it upright. This creates a crisp, defined line that prevents grass and weeds from invading your garden beds. Metal strips are durable, rust-resistant, and blend beautifully into both traditional and modern landscapes. This design is perfect for seniors who want a low-maintenance solution that looks like it came straight from a professional designer's portfolio. Once installed, it requires minimal upkeep, just an occasional check for shifting. This edging also pairs well with mulch, gravel, or decorative stone, offering a versatile way to create a polished look with very little effort. Idea 8. Concrete Curb Appeal. Concrete edging might sound complicated, but preformed concrete borders are surprisingly easy to install and create a clean, professional look. Available in a variety of shapes and styles, from smooth curves to scalloped edges, they instantly add structure and definition to your flower beds. Simply dig a shallow trench along your garden bed, press the concrete pieces firmly into place, and level them for a neat appearance. Concrete is extremely durable, resistant to weathering, and requires little to no maintenance. For seniors looking for a long-lasting solution that won't shift or rot, concrete edging is a reliable choice. You can even paint or stain it to match your home's color scheme or your personal taste. It's a straightforward project that transforms any garden from ordinary to extraordinary in just an afternoon. 9. Idea Living Border with Herbs. If you love the idea of blending beauty with functionality, try planting a living herb border. Select low-growing herbs like thyme, oregano, or lavender, which not only create a lush, green edge but also bring fragrance and attract pollinators. Dig a narrow trench along your garden bed, loosen the soil, and plant the herbs at even intervals. As they grow, they'll form a soft, textured edge that feels natural and inviting. Trim them regularly to keep a neat appearance and enjoy the added bonus of fresh herbs for your kitchen. This living border is ideal for seniors who want a sensory-rich garden experience. Imagine brushing past the border and releasing the aroma of fresh herbs. It's both practical and beautiful, adding a touch of country charm to any space. Idea 10. Idea Railroad Tie Rustic. For a bold, rustic look, reclaimed railroad ties make excellent garden borders. These thick wooden beams have a natural weathered look that adds character to any backyard. Start by digging a trench to the width of the tie, then lay it horizontally to define your garden bed. Secure it in place with metal stakes or rebar for added stability. Railroad ties are incredibly durable and can handle the wear and tear of both foot traffic and weather. Seniors who appreciate a low-maintenance solution will love how little these borders need once installed. Be sure to source untreated ties to avoid chemicals that could leach into your garden soil. This approach adds a rugged, timeless feel to your garden and is perfect for framing flower beds, vegetable plots, or pathways. No matter what your style, rustic, modern, or somewhere in between, these 10 DIY garden edging ideas prove that you don't have to spend a fortune to achieve a beautiful, polished look. Each of these projects is perfect for seniors who want to stay active and creative, and each one brings its own unique charm to your backyard. From the natural elegance of stone and wood to the artistic flair of mosaics and living borders, there's an edging solution here for every gardener. So roll up your sleeves, grab your tools, and get ready to transform your outdoor space into the stunning, high-end retreat you've always dreamed of. Happy gardening! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the next videos. Write your impressions about the video in the comments. We will be waiting for you again.